Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my Mother's Day garden and dinner. So this is the dinner. The previous video is me and my mom in the garden. If you want to go check that out, I will link it in the description so you can see that. I hope you enjoy this video. We are going to start by prepping the chicken. What I'm doing here is I'm just going to butterfly these chicken breasts. I'm not cutting them completely in half. I'm just cutting them enough so that I can open them and stuff them when I'm ready to stuff them. I'm going to season the chicken with some smoked paprika, some Dano seasoning, and some dehydrated lemon peel. I'm just going to put this on like a rub inside, outside, and all over the chicken. And then I'm just going to cover it with a plate and put it in the fridge until I'm ready to stuff the chicken. Now we're going to go ahead and cut the potatoes. All I'm doing is cutting them in half, getting ready to roast them. Adding some olive oil, then lemon juice, lemon zest, salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, garlic powder, and onion powder to these potatoes to make them kind of like a Greek potato, roasted Greek potato. You'll see Terry walking in the background. He's going to help me grate the Parmesan cheese. He is the cheese grater for me. I hate grating cheese, so he's going to help me grate the cheese for the salad. So he's walking around in the background. This day, we are just spending the day as a family, helping my parents, doing some fun things. So we're all just doing our thing. That's why this is a voiceover, because it was shot through the day as we were doing things, just spending time as a family. am using the cranberry pepper boursin cheese with this stuffed chicken. All it is this cheese and bacon, just bacon chopped up. That's all I put in it. Nothing else, no fancy stuff, just the boursin cheese, the cranberry pepper flavored one, and cut up bacon. I cut my bacon with scissors. Terry thinks it's hilarious that I do this. He says I should make a video on all the things I cut with scissors. I cut everything, pizza, bread, all of it with scissors. My mom does the same thing. I don't know if any of you do it. I think it's hilarious that he thinks that this is kind of funny, but I cut a lot of things with my scissors. Once I stuff the chicken, I put it back in the fridge to marinate even longer because we're not going to start cooking right now, but I just wanted to get this done and ready. This salad was so easy. All it is lettuce, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, fresh lemon juice, and olive oil. That's it. Simple, easy peasy, fresh salad. The carrots, they're roasted carrots. All they have on it is olive oil and salt and pepper. That's it. Put them in the oven at 400 degrees and roasted them along with the potatoes. I did them both at the same time. So everything was super easy and just done at the same time. Once these carrots are done, I do drizzle honey on them once they're roasted though. And I think that just adds a pop of flavor. When I fry the chicken, I'm using an oven-safe frying pan. I want to use an oven-safe frying pan because we're going to fry these on both sides to sear them. I'm going to add some water to deglaze the pan, and then we're going to put it in the oven to bake to make sure that that chicken is cooked all the way through. So I'm just waiting for them to do their thing to sear on each side. It takes a little bit of time, and then deglaze, put it in the oven for a bit with those carrots and potatoes. And I have it on 400 with the carrots and potatoes on the bottom rack with no element, just so that it's cooking through but not drying out that chicken. I also add a piece of tin foil on top of it so that it kind of keeps that moisture in there. You will know when your chicken is done on each side because it will release from the pan. If you take your chicken with your tongs and you start pulling it up and it doesn't release easy, you can tell that happened a couple times there with some of the pieces that were stuck on the pan. That means that the chicken is not yet done cooking right there. So an easy way to know when your chicken is seared on the side is to see if it easily comes off the pan. Same thing when you're barbecuing as well. If it's easy to come off the barbecue racks, then that means that that side is done. Or that side is seared on that side and you can flip it. I was gonna do a cranberry sauce to go with this chicken and I just did not like the way it turned out. It didn't taste good at all. I also tried to make another wine sauce to go with it as well, and it just did not turn out good. It was not a sauce day for me. That's why I decided to use just water to deglaze this pan before I put it in the oven. And the drippings from this was just phenomenal. And it was because we had put that marinade or that rub in and out of the chicken. It just gave it such a good flavor. Here I am plating up the chicken and the potatoes now to serve my mom. One of the things that I wanted to do was plate the meal so that it would kind of make it feel like a fancier meal. I hope you enjoyed that dinner that I made for my mom for Mother's Day, and I will see you in the next video. Like if you do, subscribe if you can, share if you want, and I will see you guys in the next one.